Hello and welcome to another episode of my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a PNG file using your Turtle program. Now you must have seen a program or something like this. You write the code and all. It's a simple program, and all it does, it makes a diagram or some sort of diagram. Like this is a star diagram. Now, okay, you have played around, good, but at the end of the day, what is the use? I mean, what are you going to do with it? Can you do anything with it after making the program? No. Either you can write some blog or post something about the tutorial. Yeah, great. But uh, according to me, I don't. You can't do anything much. So what I thought, why not create a PNG file of this program or write a code where it creates a nice diagram, and you create a PNG file and then use that PNG file somewhere or something. So I found a way that you can do that. Okay, now let me show you how to do all that. But we are going to go stepwise, no rush. So let me close this. Now first thing we are going to do is we are going to search for ghost script. Okay, now there's a thing called ghost script. You might be knowing or you might not, but this, what you have to do is you have to just go here, then go to download and click here ghost script. And there are two types, like there are many. I mean, there are 4 or 5 for Linux as well, and for Windows 64 and 32. But I have 64-bit, so going to download this. I've already downloaded it and saved it and installed it. After install, you install, you have to note down the path. So I'll just show you. Yeah. So this will be the path. Okay. This will be the path of our program ghost script. Okay, it will look something like this one and this one. So to check whether it is running, first we have to, what you have to do is we have to copy this in our environment variable. You have to make an environment variable of this. For that, go to, then out here in system properties, click on environment variable, click here, then look for path, edit, and not here, I guess. This yeah, see, I have already added this part. So what you have to do is click on new and then type or whatever. Okay, so and then copy paste the path. Okay, in your computer you might be having a different setup. So what you have to do is just put this comma and just copy the path in your environment variable. To check whether your this is working, so what we are going to do is we're going to write cmd, and then we're going to type GSWIN 64. But in 64 it will be GUI environment. It will be a GUI kind of thing. So when you click, it will look something like this. Okay, but we don't need this. We're going to use the second one. So GSWIN 64C, this will be the one which we are going to use. So this is the command line. It's going to run inside this CMD command. So what we have to do is you have to write certain commands that is going to create. So this is the one which is responsible to create a PNG file. So install this. After installing, get the path. After the path, put the environment variable in your in your computer, and that's it. Done. Now close. Now we're going to open, yeah, I guess this one, I guess. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So what we are going to do is we have done the Go script thing. I'm using a sample background. This is a background, empty, nothing, there is nothing, and the size of this will be somewhere around 356 by 356. And all we have to do is just open this and copy this entire thing, okay, entire code in your turtle two times in your turtle program. Okay, so just paste it, save it, that's it. Okay, now we are going to run this. Now see what happens. Okay, see, something is happening here, and press OK. Done. Now you can see there are, what is EPS? EPS is a vector format file. So if I open this, it's going to open in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so it creates a vector. It will first create a vector image. See, it's all vector. Okay, vector file. You get a nice vector file. You can do whatever you want using your turtle this. Okay, no, we don't need this. Okay, then this is the one PNG file. See, it's totally transparent. This thing is totally transparent. If you want to see how is it, see, it's already added here with that image. Okay, now I'm going to show you on Photoshop. Okay, I'll just drag this. Okay, see, it's transparent. Now this background, something, see, it's totally transparent. There is it's totally neat, very clean image from your turtle program. Rather than playing with this, you can create something like this. Okay, so that's it. And hope you like the tutorial that you can now let me show you that I've tested it with some programs. See, this is the output that I got. See, I'm not copy pasting it. I'm not using Photoshop or anything. It is creating by itself. Okay, and this is the PNG image, transparent PNG image. See, total transparent PNG image. Let me zoom and show you. See how nice it looks. So that way you can use your turtle skills to make such great images. So hope you like the tutorial. I'm going to share this code on my blog, and yeah, do like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you.